I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Good morning, YouTube. It's 6:30 in the morning, and we are leaving for the Dapoli, which is in Ratnagiri. And it's showing in the map it will take 4 hours and 30 minutes. Let's see how much time it will take.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we have reached Mahad.
Take the next right onto CAD sample.
We have completed 130 kilometers till now, and 70 kilometers more to go. I think we're supposed to take that route, but it's okay.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
So we have finally reached the destination. Look at this nice seashore. It's lovely. So this is the Karde beach we are looking at. And we'll see it in evening. Right now we are heading towards Anjarle beach.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
we have reached Anjarle beach. It's very silent beach. So I'll show you the overall view. So it was Anjarle beach all about. If you want to visit, you can come. Next stop is Karde beach. Let's move.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So this is the nice silent place called Lighthouse. If you want to visit, you can come and have a nice evening. So this is the Karde beach and we are heading towards water. So if you want to come at the Apoli, Karde is a nice place to stay and there are so many beaches around. If you have time, you can go and visit. And if you're interested regarding temples, there are many temples here. You can visit. I am not one of them, so I skip those. This is all about it. तो अभी अपन लेंगे एक ड्रोन शॉट. कैसे बताइए? ड्रोन नहीं है अपने पास, फिर भी अपन लेंगे.